Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a Kia Telluride. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades. Typically, a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 20-inch blade for the passenger side. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and turn off the engine. Then, carefully lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade down and off the J-hook on the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Always hold onto the wiper arm securely during this step. You don't want it to accidentally spring back and crack your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any sudden impacts. To finish up, turn on your Kia Telluride and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Watch to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and completely without streaking or chattering. Also, take a moment to visually inspect that the entire length of each blade makes full contact with the windshield. For other great deals and to grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your clear view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.